61,000 Swiss francs for a 7-seat SUV that can tow 3.5 tons. That's Land Rover Defender territory. Except this isn't a Defender, it's something most people have never heard of. The KGM Rexton. And here's the thing nobody talks about. While everyone's buying Hyundais and Kias for badge appeal, this Korean workhorse does everything they do, plus the stuff they can't. It actually goes off-road. Properly off-road. Low-range transfer box, selectable 4-wheel drive, ladder frame chassis. This isn't a crossover pretending to be tough. But here's where it gets interesting. Step inside and you forget you're in a budget brand. Leather seats, heated and ventilated up front, heated in the back, 12.3-inch touchscreen, 360-degree camera, dual-zone climate control. This feels like 50,000 Swiss francs, not 61. The engine is a 2.2-liter turbo diesel, 148 kilowatts, 441 newton meters, 8-speed automatic, all-wheel drive standard. It's not fast, but it's not trying to be. 0 to 100 takes about 11 seconds. Top speed sits around 170 kilometers per hour. This is about capability, not speed. And the capability is serious. 3,500 kilograms towing capacity. That's double horse trailers, large caravans, commercial trailers. The curb weight is 2,281 kilograms, so it stays stable when you're pulling serious weight. It even has trailer sway control to keep everything planted. But most SUVs can't do this part. The Rexton has enough ground clearance and articulation to handle terrain that would stop a Hyundai Santa Fe cold. Mud, rocks, deep ruts. It shares its platform with the KGM Musso pickup truck. That's body-on-frame construction. The same approach Land Rover uses on the Defender, except the Defender starts at over 100,000 Swiss francs. Inside, 7 adults actually fit. The second row has massive legroom. The third row isn't just for kids. And when you fold everything flat, you get 1,806 liters of cargo space. That's bigger than most vans. The boot alone with all seats up gives you 641 liters. Here's what surprised me most. It rides better than you'd expect. The suspension soaks up bumps without feeling floaty. The steering is weighted like a truck, but it's direct. You sit high, command a view like you're in a Grenadier, but the price is less than half. Now the downsides. Fuel economy is 8.2 liters per 100 kilometers combined. That's not great. Real-world driving pushes it closer to 10. The interior materials are good for the price, but you'll spot the cost-cutting if you look hard. Switchgear feels a step behind Hyundai. Plastics aren't as plush. And the badge? Nobody knows what KGM is. You'll spend the first month explaining it used to be Sangyong. But here's the reality. If you need a proper 7-seat 4-wheel drive that can tow heavy, handle off-road work, and still feel comfortable on the highway, this delivers. For 61,000 Swiss francs, nothing else checks all these boxes. Not the Santa Fe, not the Sorento, not even the Kodiaq. So yeah, the Rexton breaks the mold. And speaking of rule breakers, next time we're looking at an electric truck that shouldn't exist at its price point, you'll want to see this. Let me know in the comments if the KGM badge would stop you from buying one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.